All right, hey everybody, this is Mr. Murphy. I'm going to show you today how to create a transparent image. This is going to help us when we start putting objects in other paintings and pictures. So I've got my Photo Editor E open, the new version. I'm going to go to Google Images. I'm going to look for Frightening Dinosaur. These are great pictures, but they're going to be kind of tricky to do. The easier ones are going to be ones like this, where we have a white background already or a pretty plain background. We're going to click on it and we're going to come down here, not to copy link address, we're going to copy image address. We don't want the whole website, just the image. So I'll click copy image address. I'm going to come back over here to PIXLR E and I'm going to click load URL. If this doesn't work, and it didn't earlier, I'll click load. All right, it said something went wrong, no problem. We can come over here, then we can just right click and go down to save image as. And I'll save the image as Dino. And this is going to go into that file, so I'll go down there. All right, now I'll come back over here, click Open Image, and I'm just going to look for Dino. There we go. I click Dino, and I've got my dinosaur. Now, over here, I'm going to go to Navigate and make it a little bigger. That's a little too big. I just want it to be a little bigger. Now, I come over here to my Pixie tool. That's what it used to be called. I'm going to click on the white, and you'll see those dotted lines. That means everything inside there is selected. Now I'm going to press the delete button on my keyboard, and boom, I've got it gone. I'm going to do the same here. 1, 2, 3, and 4. And we have got a decent looking one. I'm going to go ahead and click this so that I'm going to go to select all so that everything is selected. There's select all. There we go. So now some people might look at this, it looks great. Others might say, you know what, I don't like all these little bits of white. We can get rid of those. All you got to do is come over here to our eraser tool, which is right here. I'm going to click eraser. Right now, it is a little bit too fuzzy. I want that to be sharper, and I don't want it to be too big. I'll probably even take that a little smaller, down from 15. Let's go down to 5. And so now what I'm going to do is, if you really want this to be perfect, you just go up. Whatever is inside there will be deleted. So you can get rid of all these little white sections. So it looks a little bit better. You don't have to. It's your choice. I'm not going to take a lot of time doing this, but if I really wanted this to look amazing, I'd probably go in and do this just to make it look, just to make it pop, basically. So I'm going to go ahead and pull back out. If I wanted to do any more changes, I'd have to click on this once. Oh, sorry. Click on it so we can see it. And then we double click and now it's unlocked. Now we can do even more to it. But I'm basically now going to go ahead and save this image. Remember to save it as the type. So transparent image, Dino, and then my initials. I'm always going to want to save it as a ping, and I'm going to go ahead and hit download. And it's going to download to the right spot. Once I have it there, I can go ahead and copy it and paste it onto my Google slide. So that was a quick way. Go ahead and rewatch this if you need or ask me questions. And this is going to be really fun to use this later to put dinosaurs in pictures of teachers and make your cat super big and make it look like your cat is bigger than you are. All right. Thanks, guys. Have fun.